Okay, so this is side one. We're going to go counterclockwise around it, applying chimney saver. Start from the bottom. That spray on solution, we stay until it saturates. And we just work our way from the bottom to the top. So every layer it gets 2 coats at one time. You see as it gets saturated in, the mortar joints will change a little bit of color. Seeing it roll down its face, that means it's good. All right. It's 2 sides. These little sides go by a lot quicker. And the brick we're not too worried about. It's the mortar joints. You can see when they change colors and they'll saturate. That's where the water penetration happens and causes issues on the interior. All right, now we're down to the back side, and I'll go over one more time after all of this just to make sure we didn't miss any spots. Just kind of work up the ridge. I did give this chimney a scrub down before we started. There's just a little bit of discoloration, but none of these mortar joints are really bad enough to worry about. So this should get it worked up nicely. You can kind of see how the discoloration right there, it's one shade darker and then one shade lighter. That's just cardinal way to tell where you're starting, where you're stopping. All right.